Dear friends of the Whiskey Creek Railway, today we have been working again on the steel bridge. Somebody had mismatched the parts. There are 24 parts in total, 16 by side. So we had to do an investigation job to be able to put the matching parts together. And after a long day of work, it is done. As you can see, we have members. Each member is made of a bottom and a top part. They are bolted together, and each side will have 8 members long ways. Then we will have cross members, 6 cross members to hold the bridge together. Just want to remind you that the bridge will be doing this span of about 20 feet in that direction. And at the bottom we have the famous Whiskey Creek, which gives its name to the Whiskey Creek Railway. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below the video.